Deal-making is an art, and it is at the heart of all commercial and financial activities. A deal can be private or public, domestic or cross-border, involving traditional and non-traditional assets, such as art pieces and virtual assets. It can be related to trading, asset transfers, collaboration, licensing, investments, lending, and more. But no matter what the deal is or how it takes place, a deal-making environment doesn't work without a sound rule of law. A legal framework is necessary to ensure the deal-making process is flexible, transparent, and clear for all parties involved.
I would say the freedom to negotiate fairly depends on a strongly enforced commercial freedom, as well as reliable methods to prevent, to detect, and deter any fraud and corruption. And deals should be backed by a regulatory framework that ensures there's a level playing field as parties conduct their transactions.
As we know, not all deals go smoothly. But what's important is how we can give deal makers the confidence to walk away from a deal on the best possible terms. Such confidence is maximized when there are commercial, corporate, and financial laws that ensure rights are protected and effective law enforcement agencies to prevent fraud.
Clear and reliable enforcement rights, reliable bankruptcy and insolvency laws, and clear and enforceable banking and insurance laws and regulation for extra protection in deal-making.
Hong Kong's prosperity and stability as an international financial center is premised upon the strong rule of law and judicial independence.
I think Hong Kong is really unique because it gives the deal makers a combination of flexibility, transparency, and certainty. And it is the only Chinese jurisdiction whose financial system is built upon English law or common law, which is well understood by the international investors and also companies alike. What does it mean? It means we have a reliable and transparent dispute resolution process to support deal-making across the huge array of sectors and also the products. And Hong Kong's courts are also very experienced when it comes to ruling on commercial and financial deals.
Hong Kong's trusted legal and regulatory system is also supported by world-class professionals in legal, accounting, and financial advice. We at Huatai International truly benefit from such an ideal deal-making environment.
Hong Kong is designed to be a global deal-making center. There are no restriction on capital movement in or out of territory. This eases transaction and creates a favorable environment for financing of deals.
And we also have easy access to information to support everybody involved in the deal making, which also helps to ensure organizations and individuals from across the world who have the confidence to do deals here.
The connectivity bolsters Hong Kong's role as an international deal-making hub, and the number of foreign entities entering the market has been booming alongside the integration of the Greater Bay Area Development and Belt and Road Initiative. In this connection, increasing demand for Hong Kong legal services is anticipated, given the city's extensive experience collaborating with international investors in a wide range of deal-making activities such as cross-border agreement, due diligence, risk assessment, and management, project finance, etc. Other opportunities arising include having Hong Kong laws as an option for governing laws of contract and considering Hong Kong as a leading of arbitration for resolving disputes.
If you look at our listing rules are also evolving to take account of the fast-moving industries and also the investor preferences. For example, the Hong Kong's listing rules now allow PE revenue biotech firm to list in the city further stirring activity in this sector. And likewise, it also updated its private equity and venture capital limited partnership rules in 2020, which should also encourage more interest from these industries.
Among a wide range of deal-making activities, mergers and acquisitions is one of which most firms are continuously eyeing.
Apart from capital strength, a mature acquirer should know the industry well and plan systematically. Its reputation is also fairly important. A good track record of acquisitions will leave a good impression on targets. A successful acquisition cannot live without remarkable legal support throughout the entire process. Under Hong Kong's transparent legal and regulatory framework, clients know what they can expect from a deal.
And M&A is one area of deal making in Hong Kong that enjoys a deep level of legal expertise and precedent. And the territory's sophisticated laws and regulations means that clients and their legal advisors know what they can expect when engaging in the M&A deal.
Speaking of a fair and transparent market, regulations play an instrumental role.
Hong Kong's M&A market is steady and healthy, with inbound and outbound activities for both private and public M&As. Transactions of tech-related assets were common targets over the past couple of years, as well as financial services, infrastructure, and logistics.
Many cross-border M&A deals have required services from Hong Kong-based financial institutions under a mature regulatory framework. Regulations on the acquisition of public companies are neatly laid out and enforced. These clear instructions enable us as a banker to complete the deal more smoothly.